I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. It's no secret that I love burgers. I love all kinds of burgers. I love skinny burgers. I love fat burgers. I love fancy burgers. Heck, I even like sliders. Today we're going to take it over the top. We're going to go make some Wagyu burgers, but they're going to be deep fried in beef tallow. You heard me, beef tallow. These are going to be crazy. Let's get cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is measure out 3-ounce portions of my Wagyu beef. This is 75% lean beef that I bought at my market. Just going to place it between a couple pieces of parchment and smash it down. Well, that's not exactly round. Well, I'll come back to that one. Try this again. Apply even pressure. Oh, that's better. All right, now let's redo the first one. Again, even pressure. Oh, much better. That'll work. Got to cut some onion. Have to have onion on my burger. And now it's time to toast some buns. I just do this on a flat top with butter. Put them on there until they're just golden brown. Ah, that looks great. Okay. Time to dress those. Add a little onion and some lettuce. All I had was romaine, but that'll work. By the way, my burger sauce recipe is in the comments below. Now it's time to get ready to fry. So I start by melting my beef tallow. I'm going to use about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of beef tallow. I'm going to put that in my hot pan and let it melt, and then I'm going to add the canola oil. Now, why use beef tallow in this? Well, since I'm deep frying it, canola oil offers no flavor enhancement at all to the meat. So beef tallow mixed into the canola oil will impart a real beautiful beefy flavor. It's fantastic to cook in. And in fact, in the old days, quite a few fast food restaurants used beef tallow to cook their French fries. Now that this is ready to go, we are going to add the canola oil. I only want the oil to come up about halfway up the side of the pan, no more than that, and only to 325 degrees. Why? Because ground meat has a lot of water in it, and if you have too much oil or it's too hot, then it's going to have an explosive response when it hits the oil. That's going to put oil all over everything, likely fall out of the pan, and could cause a fire. I've had it happen. So I'm going to dip the spatula in the oil because that's going to help me get it underneath the patty and be able to slip it right into the oil. This is only going to cook for about 70 seconds. I tried 60 and they weren't quite done inside, so we're going to go 70 on this one. Happens fast. You can see all of the frying action here. So too much oil or too much heat and I could have a big mess. So after about 70 seconds, that's done. I'm going to drain it lightly, tap it with some paper towels, add my cheese to it, and then it goes back in for a quick dunk. Yes, with the cheese on it. Okay, I've got one done. Time to do another one. Okay, let's see how we did. I'm going to cut this thing in half because there's no way I'm going to fit that in my mouth. Well, it's a little slippery for sure because it's greasy. Oh, that looks so good. All right, here goes nothing. Wow. That is such a great burger. The deep frying actually caramelized
the outside of the burger. So the patties are a little crisp all around, and the inside surprisingly is not greasy. I think the grease that came from this is from me putting a little grease over the cheese once it was on the patty. So the bun and the lettuce is a little greasy, but that's expected. A burger is greasy, but the taste is absolutely fantastic. Deep fried Wagyu, that's the way to do it. The only other thing that I can say is this is absolutely delicious. That's how you do a Wagyu burger.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.